Well, what's going on? What's going on in Oklahoma? Hey, stormy weather. What's going on in Oklahoma? Stormy, come on.
Everything's nice right now. We had a little rain this morning, but shoot, ain't nothing but this big summer just standing here reading them down right now, there, forecast.
Well, I'll tell you what, Stormy, we had over down here, we had a little rain this morning. It kind of a little cool front come in, but doggone it, we ain't had much conditions to talk any place. Stormy weather. When we get some conditions, we're gonna really talk. Stormy, come on.
You talking right now? Hey, fans on the radio, I believe you. Oh, you talking right now? I kid you not. You got conditions in Oklahoma. What you think?
Hey, Stormy, don't get it twisted, man. The reasons for that, everybody's on the salty, man. Listen to that. Everybody on the salty can't be mine. Stormy, come on.
Yeah, boy, kid. Fans on the radio. When you sign in my radio, hey, man, we'll be on the camping site with Stormy, man. It's just like at the movie. You see, when they watching it, right?
Well, you know, Stormy, I appreciate those kind words, man. But you say something, you save some of them for yourself. Ain't no doubt about it. Because you sounded real good on this side of Galveston, Texas, as well. That's a very show. Stormy, doggone, I just want to say, mercy me, 2019, and hope it was a prosperous year for you and the family. Stormy weather, come on.
Hey, fans on the radio, I tell you what I'm gonna do. I appreciate it too, and that even don't go to show. Hey, fans on the radio, I hope you keep doing the same thing you do on in 19, because you're doing it in 18, and let me tell you, you're doing it well.
Well, Stormy, well, I appreciate that. No, but Stormy, well, don't say that too loud, man. No doubt about it, man. We got a lot of jealous and envious doggone people on this particular end. Ain't no doubt about it. Not necessarily in Galveston, but I'm real close to Houston. I can't say no more about Houston. Stormy, come on. I think it's widespread. I hate to say it, but I think it is very much widespread across the frequency, no doubt about it. But I remember a time, hey, Stormy, well, I remember a time, doggone it, if you was gonna put up a station, man, the whole neighborhood would come by and help you. Stormy, come on. Yeah, it seems like doggone Mother Nature. See, that's what's going on with Mother Nature. Ain't no doubt about it. You got to grab hold, doggone as quick as you can these days. Ain't no doubt about that. Stormy weather. You seen the doggone mercy me fading out of my radio, so I know it's my time to pull back. That's what I've been sure. I guarantee you. Take care of my good friend Stormy weather. If you got a copy, Oklahoma, Stormy weather, Oklahoma, $5 radio this side of Galveston. Pull it out.